Okay, so the program that we use is called, let's see, where is it? Yeah, Foamworks 3.0, and you can just get it from the start menu. And it looks like you are going to want to see this. Like, everyone should probably see the screen.
You guys just come on over here. You're being really shy. You're not going to see anything. Come on back here.
Okay, so this is what the screen looks like. All right, at least someone from every group should be thoroughly familiar with this. All right, and in order to cut things on this machine, you need what's called a cut file, and you need to generate these cut files from basically text files. And what the text file has in it is it has two columns. One's the X coordinates of your airfoil, and one's the Y coordinates. So X being along the chord, and Y being, you know, in the thickness direction. And the chord always has to vary from 0 to 1, and then back to 0. So it's non-dimensionalized, and then the thickness is proportional to the chord, if that makes sense. So basically, if you have something in inches, you just divide it by the maximum chord and you get your data file. But you can't have any other numbers in it. You can't have like a thing on the top that this is the, you know, the NACA 0012. It just has to be those two numbers, otherwise you'll get an error. And so what I just did to generate a cut file, you go over here to Wing Cutter and you click Generate Cut File. And then it brings up this screen, and this allows you to pick the file for the left cutting tower and the right cutting tower. So you can actually do like 2 different wing profiles if you wanted to, which kind of gives you some flexibility. So we'll just go to last wing, last year's stuff, and so also you have to save your text file as a .dat file. So just rename it instead of .txt, .dat. So we'll just pick these two. Alright. And so once you have your 2 files loaded in, you have a couple options. You can add washout, which we're not going to want to do. That's basically a twist at the end of the wing. And then you want to do something called add delay point. So this brings up a plot of the wing shape, and